Kelly Rowland says she doesn't know Excel. Microsoft Excel responds. American singer Kelly Rowland recently appeared on talk show The Real, where she said, "I don't know what Microsoft Excel is, I don't have a clue." Kelly was asked about Excel on the show as her Grammy-winning song Dilemmas video featured the software. Responding to Rowland, Microsoft Excel's Twitter account tweeted, "No matter what you do, we're crazy over you." Microsoft adds feature to import Excel data by taking photos. Microsoft has added a new feature to the Excel app that lets users take a photo of a printed data table and converts it into a digital, editable spreadsheet. The AI-powered feature uses image recognition technology to identify information. The feature is presently being rolled out to Android users and will be available on iOS soon, Microsoft said. TikTok fined $5.7 million in U.S. over child privacy violations. Federal Trade Commission has fined lip-syncing video app TikTok $5.7 million to settle allegations of making under 13 users' profiles public and collecting their personal information without parental consent. TikTok was allegedly aware of the issue and did not act despite several complaints. Notably, Tamil Nadu has also demanded a ban on TikTok over concerns of cultural degeneration of youngsters. U.S. startup makes robot that could make doorstep delivery. A startup, Agility Robotics, a spinoff of America's Oregon State University, has unveiled its new bipedal robot named Digit that could be used to make doorstep package deliveries. The robot, still in testing, is strong enough to pick up and stack 18-kilogram boxes. It's also equipped with 4 degree of freedom arms that can help it catch itself during a fall.